Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take Dollar Tree items and make a really cute sign. I'm adding a decoupage medium. I'm actually using liquid patina, and we're going to give 2 coats of that. While that is drying, we're going to paint these letters that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using beadboard in DIY paint, and we're going to get just 1 coat, and then we're going to move on to the next section. If you would like a supply list and the links to all the products that I used here today, the link will be in the comments below. Okay, so our liquid patina is dried, and I'm taking a paper napkin. Now make sure you remove the backing. Usually it comes with 1 to 2 plies. This napkin actually can be found on my website at iwanttocraft.com. Now, what happens here is when you iron the napkin on, it activates the glue that's underneath, and it adheres the paper and the wood together. So you're going to take some parchment paper, and then you're going to set, you know what, my iron is set at the hottest setting. And then you're going to go ahead and iron it on. I'm going to tell you, you're going to get addicted to the iron method. As soon as I found out about it, that's all I do, is I iron on my decoupage paper. I mean, I just love it. So if you know somebody who would love this trick as much as I do and as much as you do, don't forget to share this video. And look at that, no wrinkles. So you're going to put another coat of liquid patina to seal this. Still do it very gently because this is still paper. And when you do that, it will wrinkle up again a little bit. Just let that dry, and then just put your parchment paper on it again, and then just give it another little sweep of the iron, and you'll be good to go. Now you're going to take some sanding paper. I think I'm using 120 grit, and just sand off the edges. Just nice and easy, and it's a nice way of getting a nice clean finish. No scissors required. Now we're going to make the O in the word joy. And I got this garland from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut out a little piece, and I'm just going to actually just take the wire and wire it together. Now I wanted it to look a little flocked, so I just went ahead and painted it. I think it looks really sweet painted. Now I'm also going to make a bow here, and we're going to add some berries as well. Now this bow is so easy, guys. You just take your scraps, and as you see here, we just crisscross it, tie it in the middle, and then attach it to the greenery. going to put it all together. So I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm going to hot glue those letters and that wreath onto the board. And then we're going to finish up the edges. So here we have a sign for under $5, guys. You can't beat that. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when I upload my next video. And if you know somebody who would like this as well, please share the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep crafting, stay safe, and be happy.